In the machine overview, you can see all your machines at a glance, on the left in a clear list, with diesel and AdBlue fill levels as well as the current status of the machine. On the right, on a live map with the location of each machine. To find a specific machine quickly, use the filter at the top of the screen. As soon as you have selected a machine, you will be taken to the overview page. There you will find all the important information about this machine in one place. The position, the telemetry data and settings of your machine, software status, current alarms, maintenance overview, and notes. You can set up notes to get reminders for tasks like oil changes or vehicle checks. The Optimize tab provides you with detailed information about the operation of your machine. First, select a date. And select data you want to see in the map, such as yield or machine data. You can even view events like the usage of the steering system. Orange lines means it was engaged. In the service area of your machine, you have a complete overview of all service-relevant information. You can see current and past alarms. Your machine licenses and contracts, as well as performed and planned maintenance. You have access to the digital spare parts catalog, which is linked to the serial number of your machine to quickly find the parts you need. You also receive a clear overview of all relevant lubricants, including the appropriate oils, quantities, intervals, and material numbers. The operating instructions are also available here. You can either access them online or download them as PDF files. In the machine area, you have everything at a glance, from location and performance data to maintenance, spare parts, and manuals for your machine. Clearly structured, centrally bundled, and available at all times.